When the sun goes down, your solar system doesn't simply turn off. In fact, with the right setup, solar and battery storage can continue powering your home or business long after daylight hours end. As more people look for energy independence, backup protection, and lower utility bills, understanding how solar and storage work together after dark is becoming increasingly important. During the day, solar panels generate electricity from sunlight to power your space. Any excess energy your system produces can either be sent back to the grid or stored in a battery system for later use. Once the sun sets and your panels stop producing energy, your home or business can automatically begin drawing power from the stored energy in your battery instead of relying entirely on the utility grid. This stored energy can help power essential appliances, lighting, internet, refrigeration, heating and cooling systems, medical supplies, and more throughout the evening and overnight hours. In the event of a power outage, battery storage can help provide seamless backup power, helping keep your home or business running even when the grid goes down. Beyond backup power, solar and storage provide a peace of mind. Homeowners gain greater predictability over their energy cost, increased reliance during outages, and more independence from utility uncertainty. Rather than simply consuming electricity, they become active participants in how their home is powered. Solar and storage are no longer just about producing clean energy. They're about giving homeowners and businesses more control, reliability, and confidence in their everyday power. This is why solar paired with battery storage is essential in giving greater control over when and how they use energy, not just during sunny days, but even after dark. For more information on how Lightwave can help you with solar and battery storage, book a free consultation on our website today by going to www.lightwavesolar.com, or feel free to give us a call at 615-641-4050.